Good morning YouTube, we are on day 37 and the start of the stud work for the walls, windows, doors, etc, etc. So I'll turn you around and show you what I'm going to do. So my plan today is to get this wall here, this is the kitchen entranceway into the terrace, to get this completely studded out. So we've got the doorway there, we've got the window there, some stud work there, some stud work there, some stud work there. So this third of the house I would like to get finished. I'm not sure if I get it all done because there's actually 1, 2, 3 windows in here, so, and corners as well. I'm not sure how much timber I've got, so, but anyway, let's get on with it. So my first job this morning is to get this doorway done. That's my first plan, and it's an outside wall, so between each layer of timber has to have a layer of insulation, otherwise you get drafts through there. So first job is to get the insulation on this wall. So today I've moved on to the old Chinese battery powered sprayer. The reason is that the pressure sprayers keep getting blocked up every 2 minutes. It's like, I've had enough of it. Just they need to be basically the in the antiseptic. There's like leftovers, if you like, asadkin or something, and it blocks up the holes. And it's like one thing after with this. All to unblock, all I have to do is just unconnect that, pull that off, put that under the pressure washer, under the compressor, just blow it through, and that's it. It's just clear again. Only takes a second. So it's quite useful like that. But the trouble with these Chinese ones is the batteries again are useless. They're a pretty standard battery. This lasts about 1 minute and 20 seconds on this thing. That's it, that's all you get. But I found that the batteries from the Chinese saw are exactly the same size and they fit on here just beautifully. So I've got one on charge now. I've only got one left, one broke. Put it on charge and they work forever. So it's pretty good. It throws out this stuff brilliantly. You've got a control for the thing, for the spray, and but the thing is quite small, so you're constantly refilling it, unfortunately. But in retrospect, if I thought about it, probably the better way would have been to get one of those big giant ones with a air hose and use the compressor. Would have been much better effective, but it is what it is, and this will do for now. As ever, I spray this as well. Make sure there's no bugs in there. I want to spray one side, then I put it up, and then I spray the other side when it's in position. This is where the clamps come in really handy. This is the last of this batch of nails, which means that when these are finished, that takes us up to 12,000 nails used so far. I have another 3,000 that I've got to collect. They're in the ozone at the moment.